Ayun, thank God it's Friday. Ang bilis talaga ng panahon. So, Friday na naman and natapos na yung work ko by 2 p.m. kasi early shift ako. Kaya lang, right now, it's 6 p.m. Meron lang akong activity na after office hours. So, wala munang socials kasi meron akong activity. Pero ang kagandahan naman is work from home lang ako. So, medyo mahaba-haba yung activity ko. So, fingers crossed sana smooth naman para wala akong sakit ng ulo. So, it's an 8 hours activity in all. Basically, I'll be upgrading a Citrix Virtual Apps and Desktops environment from one version to another. So medyo major activity to, no? So kaya mahaba. So it's about 8 hours but it can be less kung wala namang issue. And ang kagandahan naman is overtime to. Overtime at the comfort of my house. So I don't need to go to the office or anything. So yung activity ko completely work from home lang. So, kaya lang, minsan nagkakaroon ng issues sa mga activities na ganon and nagkakaroon tayo, yun na nagkakos ng sakit ng ulo. So, kasi I have to troubleshoot kung mayroong issue during the upgrade process. But most of the time naman, not most of the time, but meron naman tayong backup plan pag, let's say, magkaroon ng issue. So, normally, I'm working on virtual machines. And itong virtual machines na to, we can create snapshots para kung magkaroon man ng issue during the upgrade, we can always revert from snapshots or we can go back from its original state pag nag-fail. So anyway, wala pa ako sa halfway. So far, so good naman. So sana all the way matapos natin smoothly. Yan. Ayan, di na ako nakapag-update. So, natapos ko naman successfully yung activity ko last night and overall, success siya. So, wala namang issue. Na-upgrade ko successfully from one version to another yung Citrix environment ng isa sa mga client namin. And na-validate na rin ng client. So, walang naging issue. Accessible siya and yun. So, 7 hours in all yung activity ko. So, good thing na mayroon tayong after hours or overtime. Yun. And dito kami ni Tam sa Bunnings. Hanap kami ng barbecue grill. So, matagal-tagal na ako naghahanap. Gusto ko sana yung Weber na brand. Kaya lang medyo expensive siya. So, I think mag-decide na ako na kumuha na lang ng Matador. So, it's a Bunnings brand. So, relatively cheap. Anyway, hindi naman kami expert mag-barbecue. So, something lang na pwede magamit namin sa backyard. Ayan. So, ito yung Matador brand. So, Bunnings brand siya. So, I think okay naman. Gusto ko sana nung stainless, but I think this is good enough. Hanap kami nung 4 burners. Ito. So, Matador Spark. May side burner na siya. And then, ayan. See-through siya. May half plate. Ito yung grill. So, 4 burners. Meron na rin siyang light. So, it's just $649. Tingnan namin yung iba. Ayan, Matador Spark. 4 burners. So, actually, ang gusto sana nila yung charcoal. Kasi yung kung charcoal, mas ano siya, mas masarap. Kaya lang ayaw ko nung nakakamoy ng usok eh. Ito, 799, 800. Acorn. So, ito naman, 599. Acorn char grill. Let me know your thoughts, guys, no? I think mas okay to. Pero, depende. Yan. Tingin muna kami. Acorn char griller. Ito naman ceramic grill, smoker. Ayan, so we ended up getting yung Matador Spark 4. So it's a 4-burner grill. And bumili na rin kami ng LPG gas and some cleaning accessories. Ayan. Buti nagkasya sa sasakyan yung barbecue grill. So 4-burner lang naman kasi siya. And bumili tayo ng isa pang gas tank. And yun, kasya naman siya. Ayan. Uwi na kami, kasyang kasya. Maluwag pa.